Creating multi-product campaigns in Mailchimp can feel overwhelming, but in this video, I'm going to break it down step by step so you can create effective, engaging campaigns with ease. Stick around till the end because I'll share a time-saving tip that will speed up your process. Plus, you'll learn about a special extended free trial offer for Mailchimp that you won't want to miss. First off, let's get started with setting up your campaign. Once you're logged into your Mailchimp account, go to the Campaigns tab. From here, click on Create Campaign and select Email from the list of options. Choose Regular Campaign because that's what you'll need for a multi-product setup. Next thing you'll do is select your audience. Whether you're targeting a specific group or your entire list, Mailchimp lets you fine-tune this, which is key to ensuring your multi-product campaign reaches the right people. You can segment your audience based on demographics, behaviors, or even previous purchases. The more tailored your audience is, the better your results will be. Now, onto creating the actual email. This is where the fun begins. You'll want to choose a layout that accommodates multiple products without overwhelming your readers. Mailchimp's drag-and-drop builder is perfect for this. You can use product blocks to highlight different items and their key details, and Mailchimp automatically populates those blocks with your product images, names, prices, and descriptions. It's all about making it as visually appealing and easy to digest as possible. The fourth thing you'll want to do is add personalization. Mailchimp allows you to include merge tags, which let you personalize each email for each recipient. You can insert their first name or other dynamic content based on their interests, making your campaign feel more personal and increasing engagement. Don't forget to test it before sending. Mailchimp's preview and test features make this easy. Once you've designed the email, it's time to think about your subject line and preview text. These are critical to getting people to open your email, so make sure it's catchy, clear, and relevant to the products you're featuring. Keep it concise and include a clear call to action, like shop now or discover the best deals. Next, you'll set up tracking. You'll want to know how well your campaign is performing, right? Mailchimp integrates with Google Analytics, so you can track opens, clicks, and conversions directly from your campaign. This data will give you insights into what's working and what needs improvement for future campaigns. Now, before you hit send, make sure to test your campaign. Mailchimp allows you to send test emails so you can see how everything looks before going live. This step ensures your multi-product campaign is perfect, and it's especially important when working with multiple products to ensure everything aligns. Finally, don't forget about the timing. You want to send your email when your audience is most likely to engage with it. Use Mailchimp's Send Time Optimization feature to automatically choose the best time based on previous engagement patterns. And there you have it. Creating multi-product campaigns in Mailchimp doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you'll be able to create visually appealing, effective campaigns that engage your audience and boost your sales. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that you can start using Mailchimp for free right now with our exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get access to an extended free trial, so you can test out all of Mailchimp's features without any commitment. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.